In this video we'll be fixing this 15-inch woofer. I've got it from somebody really cheap, but it has some problems. Let me try and turn it around. Okay, you can see here a part of the basket is missing, and it has a crack here and a crack somewhere here, but the speaker itself is working. It's I don't know if you can see this. Let me try and move the camera. Visaton BGS 38 8-ohm speaker. I will not be using it at full power, so this is not a problem for me, but I will still put something here to keep it a little bit better together. It has a coil now. It was used probably as a woofer. I will not filter it. I'll be using it to play all the frequencies that it can play. And now we will give it a quick test and see how it works. Even like this, it still works pretty good actually. Let me try and find the position. Okay, this should be good. Let's play it. Okay, some debris from where it was stored. Okay, this probably was not even a quarter of the power it can handle, but I don't want to upset the neighbors, and keep in mind that it's not fixed at the moment, so I don't want to damage it even more. I will not make a video as I work on it, because it's pretty big and it will be a little bit hard. I will make video only of the stages of the fix to show you what and how I do it, but not directly on video all the fix. The rest of this video will be probably made with the camera handheld. Now you can see that these leads, I'm not sure how you call them in English. Yeah, I don't remember now. were unsoldered from the place where they should be on the post, and they were directly soldered onto this, which goes to the coil. I will undo that and solder them back in position. Now you can see better the big crack over here and the missing parts, and another crack here. But I will fix this. To test this woofer speaker, I used my my Onkyo amplifier. It's an amplituner actually. Not sure exactly about its power, probably somewhere at 50 watts per channel. It's good enough for testing it. Okay, I've fixed the tensile leads, like you see. No more problems there. Drilled all the holes and made some steel plates to fix into position. Of course, they will not be nearly as strong as the original ones, but for what I need it is strong enough. I will use some self-tapping screws because this is aluminium, so I think they will work best. I will also put some universal glue all around, but this is not to keep it in place. It's only so it will not create the noise while working, because like you see here, this crack it makes noise. So putting the glue, putting the plate screws will keep it locked and not make any noises. So we will continue. Job finished. It's all in place. No more moving. All stays well in place. And now we are just waiting for the glue to dry. Meanwhile, we will fix the dust cap. I will show you in a second. You can see in this area here, previously it was a very big crack, even in the surround. It's all fixed now, and this is the only problem left. I removed the ugly gem sticker, and now with vacuum cleaner I will pull this out, and then maybe I will put some paint or something on it, because I don't really like how it looks now. So we will do this off video because it will make a lot of noise. So I've pulled up the dust cap. First it didn't want to come up because it was bent for very much time, so I needed to put the dust cleaner on its maximum power. Now I think I will put some thinned down Elmer's glue to make it a little harder to be pushed down again, and probably I hope it will look a little bit better. So we will see how this goes. Now you can see the Elmer's glue that I put on it, and we will let it dry and see how many more layers we need to put so the dust cap will be in good condition. As you can see, the dust cap is completely dry now. It's a lot harder than it was before, so we won't have any problems with it being pushed all the way in. I've cleaned up the speaker a little bit. All seems well now. It has a little dent here in the membrane, from when it was initially damaged, but that's not a problem for me. Next to it are the little speakers that will keep it company in the new speaker box that I will build. So let's try and turn it around. It's a little bit heavy. Okay. So this is the fix. Nothing moves. The glue is dry. And it all works well. We will give it a quick test in a moment. So this will be the audio test. The speaker is all hooked up to the wires. All is working okay. So let's give it a go. Okay, as you can see, the speaker has plenty of power. The noises that you hear is not the coil rubbing or something rattling inside the speaker. It actually is the air venting from underneath the speaker, because it has to be in an enclosure to sound well. So we will test it in a few days after I build the enclosure, and then you will see that it sounds perfect. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me fix this Visaton 15-inch speaker. It sounds really good and has a huge SPL, so I'm really happy to build an enclosure for it.